In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Shopify welcome email series. Whether you're just getting started with Shopify or looking to refine your email marketing strategy, this guide will walk you through setting up an effective welcome email series to engage your new subscribers right from the start. Let's begin by accessing the right tools within your Shopify admin. You'll want to head over to the marketing section and from there click on automations. This is where you'll find the pre-built welcome email series that Shopify offers. But don't worry, you also have the flexibility to create a completely customized series if that's what your business needs. Now, it's time to choose a welcome email template or opt to create your own series. If you're interested in using a pre-built template, Shopify has a few options like the welcome email with discount or the welcome email series that ties in with a brand story and includes a discount. These templates are fantastic if you want a quick, streamlined setup. If you prefer more control over the process, you can dive into creating a custom series. Here you have two options. Using Shopify Flow or third-party apps like Klaviyo. Shopify Flow is an excellent tool if you want to set up custom workflows. With it, you can choose specific triggers such as gaining a new subscriber, then define actions like sending out specific emails, and even set timing delays between these emails. Alternatively, if you're looking for more advanced features or analytics, consider using apps such as Klaviyo. These platforms offer a higher degree of customization and detailed insights into how your emails are performing, helping to fine-tune your strategy further. Once you've decided on the type of series, it's time to customize the content of those emails. Personalization is key here. Use your customer's name to make the emails feel more personalized. Tell your brand's story, and don't forget to include a strong call to action. Maybe a discount code, or perhaps a link leading to your website or social media pages. Visuals can elevate your emails immensely. Incorporate high-quality images or engaging product photos to capture your audience's attention. On the flip side, some businesses find success with a minimalist, text-based approach, akin to a friendly, personal email you might send to a friend. Test both styles to see which resonates best with your audience. Lastly, the importance of mobile friendliness cannot be overstated. Ensure that your emails are designed to look great on any device. Testing your emails across various devices will help guarantee they display correctly and deliver your message effectively, no matter where your customers are viewing them. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a Shopify welcome email series that not only welcomes your new subscribers, but also builds lasting connections with them. Whether you choose a pre-built template or a custom path, remember that the key lies in authenticity and creating a welcoming, engaging experience right from the start.